How to authorize Mac in Apple Music. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Apple Music app on your Mac, and once opened, from the top menu bar, tap on the account option, and from the menu that appears, tap on the authorizations option, and further, tap on the Authorize this computer option. Now in the pop-up that appears, you will be required to enter your Apple ID and tap on the Authorize button, and further enter a password for your Apple ID and then tap on the Authorize button again. And with this, you will receive a message that your Mac authorization was successful. So this is how you can authorize Mac in Apple Music. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel.